channel, thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button so you can be updated every time I make an upload dito sa YouTube. So, today's video, guys, is gonna be a review. I know it's been a while since I did a review or a vlog dito sa channel kasi it's super duper busy lang talaga. And, mag-shoutout muna ako before ako mag-continue ng review ko. I just wanna give a big shoutout to my viewer, si Eleanor. Thank you so much sa message mo. Nakaka-inspire dahil sabi niya daw, na-miss niya daw yung vlog and yung mga videos and tips ko. So, I really appreciate that. So, thank you so much. So, I give you a big shoutout kay Miss Eleanor. Thank you so much. So, yon. And that's why itong video na to is gonna be a review of the product that I've been using ever since December. Actually, na-receive ko to, guys. Gumawa ako ng haul neto. Ito yung Avon product. So, around December, super busy lang talaga. Pero sabi ko naman sa inyo na pagbalik ko, I will review a product na nagustuhan ko dun sa pinadala nila. So, this is the one na nagustuhan ko. So, are you guys ready? Ako ready na. Nandito siya sa akin. Katabi ko. This is the Avon Milk Whitening Powder Lightening Lotion. Ito siya. Avon Milk Powder Lightening Lotion Plus Collagen. Guys, ito yung 300 ml na version. I don't know if there is a smaller one or a bigger one. Kasi ito yung na-receive ko. So, ito lang yung alam ko. Pero if you guys go to SM, Watsons, or sa mga Robinsons, or sa mga department store, usually sa mga leading supermarkets out there, may kita nyo to. Ako, lagi ko to nakikita sa Watsons or sa dep store ng, sa dep store ba, or sa, grocery na SM, usually may kita mo to itong Avon products. But for sure, sa Watsons, may kita nyo to. This is only 195 pesos. Yes, super laki niya for 195 pesos. Meron din silang website and more information sa Facebook nila. So, I'm gonna link all of their information sa description box. So, make sure to check that out. So, alam ko nagustuhan ko tong product na to. That's why share ko sa inyo. So, I'll start with the packaging first. The packaging is, of course, very standout color because it is pink and my white. It says just Avon and Milk Powder Lightening Lotion Plus Collagen. So, if you guys like the collagen effect, I personally like the collagen effect. So, ito yung lotion na nagustuhan ko dahil meron siyang collagen. And then, meron din siyang active ingredient na Lacticare, milk protein, and yogurt proteins. Ayan siya. Nandito naman lahat ng information. And then, merong, I believe, Thailand na writing ito. Then, dito sa likod, guys, merong short description. May plastic to. Fully wrapped to, actually, guys. Fully sealed itong product na to. Pero since na nagamit ko na siya, meron pang plastic yan. Actually, tanggalin na nga lang natin. Ayan. I'm gonna read it quickly for you guys. So, Avon Milk Powder Lightening Lotion Plus Collagen. This concentrate milk lotion protects your skin from UV rays and gives a healthy glow. It's light, non-greasy, and easily absorbed into the skin. It is specially formulated with Lacticare milk powder and collagen, which are gentle to delicate skin, and it deeply moisturizes, eliminates skin dryness, and restore lasting radiance. It has also yogurt protein and milk protein, doubles the effectiveness in giving you a younger look with bright, soft, smooth skin. Tapos yung collagen naman, it's pure natural protein, improves skin firmness, which I really like, reduces wrinkles, and enhances skin elasticity. So, of course, direction neto is just apply in the morning, after shower, or whenever possible you can. I use it after kumaligo, right after shower, while your skin is still open. Mas maganda maglagay ng lotion or gumamit ng lotion para mas madali siya ma-absorb and mas effective siya. So, yun ang method ko pag nag-a-apply ng lotion. Or if you wanna re-apply, okay lang naman din. So, pakita ko muna kung ano yung itsura niya sa loob before I proceed with the review. Ayan siya. Sana mag-focus. Ayan yung texture niya, guys. It's very like lightweight lang. Hindi naman siya watery na runny kasi may mga lotion na watery and runny. Eto, tamang-tama lang yung kanyang consistency. It's not thick and not super thin naman. And as you guys can see, medyo may pagka-transparent siya. It's very lightweight. And yung amoy niya, it's like a baby powder. Yung parang fresh yung smell niya. It's very lightweight. I'm gonna put it on my skin na. And you guys will see, it gets easily absorbed. And then, meron siyang may pagka-radiant effect siya. Tapos, madali siya ma-absorb and hindi siya super greasy at all. I promise you guys. Kasi ako, I personally do not like lotion na thick and heavy. Tapos yung parang, ang lagkit-lagkit sa katawan. So, ayan siya. Ang silky niya sa balat and mabango siya. Very lightweight lang. So, kung hindi ka masyadong mahilig sa mga lotion na sobrang sakit sa ilong, this is the one for you. Kasi ako, nagustuhan ko siya kasi amoy baby siya. So, yon, non-greasy talaga siya. It's very non-greasy at all. So, pwede ka mag-reapply ulit kasi hindi siya malagkit. Ito, nilagay mo na siya sa balat mo, guys. Hindi mo mafe-feel na may lotion. Si Michael nagwawala dun sa labas. Kasi gusto niya pumasok sa room. Pero, just don't mind him, guys, ha. Nandun naman yung si Habi. So, anyways, pag once nilagay mo na siya sa katawan mo, it's non-greasy and then super lightweight nung effect niya. Plus, you get all the benefits of the collagen, of the milk protein. So, I really like it. Para sa akin, guys, nakaka-smooth siya ng skin. Ako, yun yung effect na napansin ko sa kanya because I've been using it since December and now, January 20 plus na. So, it's almost like 2 months na kasi talagang tinatry ko yung product na to before ko siya i-share sa inyo. And I really, really like it. I really swear to you guys, it's really good product. So, if I can rate it, I would give it mga 9 out of 10 kasi nagustuhan ko yung product. It's affordable, easy to find, and it's effective. And yung promise niya, like collagen, the milk protein, non-greasy, it's easy to blend sa skin mo. It's good for delicate skin. Yun ang mga nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Isa to sa mga favorite na lotion ko na na-try recently, as in for the past 2 months, diba? Ito lang yung exclusively na ginagamit ko. So, I can definitely say na favorite ko yung lotion na to because I know I use it every day. So, definitely something na uulit-ulitin mo everyday until maubos mo siya kasi nga maganda siya gamitin sa katawan. And I think I'm almost, dito na ako siguro, medyo naka 1/4 na ako ng product. Eh. Matipid naman siya gamitin, guys. Hindi siya sobrang, I don't need na makapal yung application. Onting drop lang and then once it na ma-wet na yung skin mo, okay na yun. Hindi mo naman sobrang kailangan na makapal maglagay ng lotion. So, eto siguro, this will last you, maybe depende ha. Ako for 2 months, medyo 1/4 yung nabawas ko. So, let's say, 3 to 6 months, yung isang 300 ml. Depende ha. Depende of course sa skin mo, kung gaano kakalaki, payat, or yung, syempre, kung ano yung coverage na paglagay mo. Ako kasi, guys, I usually use it sa mga area na mga siko, sa mga tuhod, or sa mga area na mas dry ako. Pero kung gagamitin mo siya all over the body, syempre, depende sa coverage mo, depende sa katawan, kung payat, manipis, mataba, or what man. Ako talaga siya, guys, kasi effective siya para sa akin. Kasi number 1, yung nagustuhan ko doon is yung collagen, kasi collagen is really, really good for the skin, especially if you're my skin type na dry skin. I have really dry skin. So, when I use product with collagen, mas maganda yung benefits niya sa akin because it helps with the firmness, the softness, and yung elasticity ng skin. So, I like products with collagen because I find it effective for me. And, mas lightweight siya. So, mas nagustuhan ko. I couldn't say anything na hindi ko nagustuhan sa kanya kasi I really actually like the product and yung benefits niya na nandun all the way there. If I can post some more pictures here or information, I will. Pero, nagustuhan ko talaga siya, guys. It's very promising. It's very effective. Of course, guys, gusto nyo malaman kung effective siya sa whitening or sa lightening aspect niya. For me, effective siya. I really like it kasi meron siyang collagen which helps the skin to renew gradually. Hindi naman siya yung fast whitening na yung tipong minsan kasi diba may mga lotion na promises to lighten your skin in 7 days or in 3 days or what. Ito naman yung lotion na wala siyang ganung promise. Pero for me, mas effective siya as a skin softener or pampalambot talaga ng skin, lalo na sa mga dry na skin katulad ko. So, I really like it kasi meron na siyang whitening benefits, tapos meron pang collagen, and plus yung mga other benefits na magandang-maganda sa skin. So, yun ang mas nagustuhan ko sa kanya. I wouldn't want something na promising na whiten in 7 days. Pero, other than that, wala na siyang ibang benefits. So, mas gusto ko yung ganitong product na alam ko I can use for a longer period of time because I know mas maganda yung benefits niya sa skin. So, yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. And, ano pa ba? Yun lang naman siguro, guys. Wala na akong ibang masabi pa kasi I really like the product itself. Of course, I wanna say a big thank you sa Avon Philippines for sending me this product para matry ko. And I'm so happy na natry ko tong product na to. Kasi before, pagka nadadaan ako sa SM or sa Watson's area, ang alam ko lang naman kasi na product nila, na natry ko ha, to be honest, is yung scrub na milk scrub. So, hindi ko pa natry yung ibang variant nila. So, I'm super happy na pinadalhan nila ako nito kasi I get to try it and I'm so happy na effective yung product na to. That's why I'm sharing it with you. Kaya sana guys, matry nyo rin siya. And yun lang naman for today's review. Thank you so much for watching again. And watch out for more reviews and vlogs. I'm for sure babawi talaga ako kasi super busy lang this past few days. May fiesta and all that. And kung napansin nyo, nagpa-dark na ako ng hair and ewan ko lang, trip ko lang naman to. And yun lang naman for today guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!